Hey guys, how are you all? Myself Naveen here, founder of iProledge. So all of you guys would have this confusion, CMA India or CMA USA, which is the better qualification? Guys, let me give you a very basic insight. There is nothing called as better qualification. There is always the qualification which values your time and the qualification which gives you the right opportunity you are looking out for. If you have a lot of time, possibly you may think of pursuing CMA India. If you have a very little time but you have a good amount of experience, then you should be possibly considering CMA USA. Let's understand about it properly and let's get to a conclusion which is being fought over ages. CMA India or CMA USA. So guys, still if you haven't subscribed to iProledge, make sure you do it right now. Reason being, we will come up with a lot of crazy content. So, starting with CMA India. What is CMA India? CMA India is called as Cost and Management Accountants of India, which means it is a professional course, something like CA, but a little bit lower than CA. Why I am saying little bit lower than CA? Chartered accountants are having a better value when it comes to the professional work. That too for the self-practice. When it comes to CMA India, it is not so flexible. How? Let's understand. See, CMA focuses on two major aspects. One is costing and the other thing is management. The CMAs are majorly required in the fields which are related to the physical products or the big industries, not for the service-based companies majorly. That's the reason CMA India's will be majorly higher in the companies like Tata Steel, Tesla for that matter. So, how about CMA USA? CMA USA is something which is more like a management certification which gives you overall insight, provided you have some basic knowledge. If you don't have a basic knowledge, CMA USA will also not be able to help you a lot. So, let's understand the difference between these two first. The first and foremost difference, CMA India is having 3 levels of exam, whereas CMA USA is just having 2 parts. CMA India is having around 20 papers, whereas in CMA USA, in these 2 parts, you will be tested with the 12 different sections which majorly focuses on accounting and finance. Whereas in CMA India, you learn the overall information which is required, be it law, be it costing, be it accounts, as well as taxation and audit for that matter. So now you may ask, so which one is better? Depends. It always depends on what you want to achieve. If you are someone who is fascinated with respect to costing, if you are someone who wants to make a career in the manufacturing industry, then CMA USA is not the right option for you. CMA India is the right option. Reason being, you have a lot of basics covered in CMA India with respect to this costing and finance and management. But in CMA USA, you will be holding a positions, something which looks like you managing some 5 to 10 people's cut team, provided you have that knowledge. So when is the right time to pursue CMA USA if you ask me? You should have some basic. You should have some good amount of knowledge about finance. If you have all this knowledge, go for CMA USA, it will be worth it for you. If you prefer to learn from the basics, go for CMA India. Sir, I'm confused. Which one should I do? You say CMA India is better, you say CMA USA is better. But actually, which one am I supposed to do? For this question, let's have a clarity. Guys, start with a foundation, be it a CA foundation or CMA foundation. Learn the basics in the best possible manner because that foundation will lead you to the growth. So what happens once you're done with your CA foundation or CMA foundation, then you can start pursuing CMA USA. Why am I saying this? Because CMA USA is a management level certification. They will never come and teach you what is a debit, what is a credit. No, they will directly jump to the concepts. But you should be able to capture that concepts like a pro. To get that, you need a foundation. Because of which, what we have done here at iProledge is, we just don't teach you for CMA USA, we will also cover the basics for you. We first cover CA Foundation or CMA Foundation with your choice if you are interested. After completing CA or CMA Foundation, then you should be pursuing CMA USA. That is the right time when it actually makes a lot of sense for your career as well as for your growth. And all in all, the very big question which everyone will be having, who will earn the higher salary? No. That's the wrong question. With what timeline, with how many years of experience, what salary will you earn? That is something which matters. I have seen a qualified CMA USA who is earning 9 to 12 lakhs per annum. At the same time, I have seen CMA USA who are only earning 3.6 lakhs per annum. It all depends on your experience and what you have actually learned in the curriculum. If you are able to crack it, you are at the good position. So coming to this, for CMA India, it takes a minimum of 4 to 5 years to complete. In between, you have a 15 months of articleship as well. Whereas in CMA USA, there is no restriction or a constraint like that. In CMA USA, the idea is pretty much clear. CMA USA, you just need to complete 2 papers, and after that, you have 7 years of time to showcase your bachelor's degree and also to get a 2 years of work experience to get your certification. Just by passing CMA USA, will you be able to get a job? Yes, you will be able to get a job, but to get a CMA USA certified certification, you need to wait until you submit your degree certificates as well as your work experience certificates. All in all, for both CMA India as well as for CMA USA, you do have a great job opportunities in India as well as in abroad. But being a CMA USA, preferably you will not be able to work in the manufacturing sectors. Whereas being a CMA India, preferably you will be hired in the manufacturing sectors, something which are related to the departmental divisions as well as a proper factory work, because that is where a lot of costing and finance is being involved. What about CMA USA? Where can they work? Again, the answer for that is pretty much simple. They can work in the big fours, which are KPMG, EY, Deloitte, as well as PwC. At the same time, many other corporate consulting firms are the place where a qualified CMA USA can make his mark. CMA USA is the right path for you to get into a qualified position of CFO. Many times, the corporates will ask you to complete CMA USA to get a promotion, to get an increment. Reason being, there is a value addition when you complete a CMA USA. So all in all guys, no course is bad or no course is good. What you learn out of that course is something which matters in the end. Are you ready to learn? Then we have iProLedge. What is iProLedge? I am a professional with a crazy amount of knowledge. So if you are someone who believes in learning a lot of knowledge, then iProLedge is the right thing for you. So guys, if you need any assistance, any kind of a support with respect to your career, be it for CA, CS, CMA or even for ACCA, all that you need to do is contact this number and our set of counselors will be there to help you out. If you guys want to have a crazy amount of knowledge, iProLedge is the one who is waiting for you. By the way, who am I? Myself, Naveen TK, founder of iProLedge.